Okay, this is my presentation for the statistics summary of the mirror evaluation. This was a task that was given to me in my workplace, like to make a summary about some batches of mirror that we receive. They will fail because of two main reasons: resistance range and this scratch watermark of fingerprint. The resistance range, I decided to call it electrical failures, and this scratch watermark fingerprint, I decided to call it physical failure in order to make this presentation. Here we go directly to the data. So here is all the data that we had. It was scored a little bit modified because of legal reason with my employee. I don't want to point out of my employee data here, the real one, but this is very close to reality, to what real happens. So we have 10 batches with 10 different customers. They give you, and we find that we have electrical failures. For some of them, it was like a total of 9 electrical failures, a total of 2 physical failures, giving you a mean of 0.9 for the electrical failure, a mean of 0.2 of physical failures. The one that has no failure is around 13 and to 15, so it's a good number. The percent of success is 92%. It means that almost all of them pass. This is not good for manufacturing and production, but it's very good for experiment. So the mean tell us that the electrical failure is more common than the physical failures. So and the standard deviation also for electrical failure tell you that is very bigger. I put here the standard uncertainty. In this one, we shouldn't talk about standard uncertainty because this don't make no sense. There is no human error in this case, so standard uncertainty make totally no sense. If it has a dig, it has a dig. If it has low resistance, it has low resistance, but I want to include it because they asked me to do it in my workplace. Then I told them because of my study on statistics that study on statistics don't make sense. But I wanted to point out this one also here. Um, Also, we got the standard deviations, so we want to have like a one or two errors or zero errors. Errors, no, issue about electrical. As we can see, we arrived to three different conclusions. The first one is that the electrical issue is more frequent than the physical issue. We also could recognize which supplier is best provided than others. Some suppliers give you perfect batches. I mean, the batches that we're gonna receive is gonna be 20. This batch were 15, was like a sample of the population, but it's pretty close to the population because the real population is gonna be 20 and this one are 15. Once again, this is experimental, so the percentage of success is good, but for production and manufacturing is not gonna be good. But for now, the percent of production is the percent of success is good. Then go to the reference. I didn't use any reference at all. I just pointed out here from where I learned, because I learned from this class, of course, this book, and also from one physical that helped me to do like the statistics summary. I hope you enjoyed this and you learn a little bit more and they help you to understand what is better to make what is good about making statistical summary about engineering environment. Thank you.